What we're looking at here is importing other format drawings or documents. So here, for instance, is an Adobe PDF document, and we're going to import this into the system. We're going to use the File Open command, and we're then going to select PDF documents from the drop-down over there, and there is that document shown. We're going to click on it and press Open, and now we're going to load that in. We're going to load vector text, fills, gradients, all of the entities on there into our format. Here we are going to confirm the scale that we want to import it in, the various models that we want to import, and then we're going to look at advanced options. We're just going to accept the defaults here. Most of the correct things will be ticked there. We're going to press OK, and then press OK again, and now the system will import the PDF document as a Genesis CAD drawing. And there it is. And you can see that it looks very much like the original PDF document. Just zoom in here a little bit and show you some of these are now CAD entities rather than just a simple PDF document. Yeah, we can zoom into another part of the drawing. Okay, so that's importing a PDF, very simple. And what we're going to do next is to import an AutoCAD drawing into the system, following very much the similar steps. So again, File Open, we're going to select Drawings, and we're going to navigate to a folder where an AutoCAD drawing is loaded. We're just going to pick the one that we want. There it is. And then we are going to press Open again. The system will now confirm again what we want to do with it. We're going to change the scale to 1:50 and accept the defaults, the rest of it. Review it all, just double check on the advanced options. That's all good. And now we're going to load that drawing in, the AutoCAD drawing in. And here it comes in, it's doing its work in the background, and the drawing will now be converted to native Genesis CAD entities. And there we are. We're just going to zoom into it, have a look at it. Yeah, it's all there, text, hatching, all sorts of different entities have been imported directly into the CAD system. And we can now work with it as if it was a Genesis CAD drawing. So there we go, importing external format drawings.